everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to fix your controller not charging in rest mode on your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So I've been using my controller and it doesn't seem like it's charging in rest mode very often anymore. How would I go ahead and fix this? Well, the first thing you want to go ahead and try is using a different cable. So I'm actually using a cable for my GoPro. Now plug it into your controller just like this, and instead of using this front USB port, try turning around your PlayStation 5 just like this, and there is a USB port on the back. Currently I have my PlayStation camera plugged into it, but try that rear USB port and a different cable. Now if that doesn't work, you can always try updating your controller on the console, and then there's a small reset button on your controller right here. If you go ahead and put like a small pin in there, you can reset your controller. Now also you want to make sure you have these settings on where you can charge your controller in rest mode, where you're supplying the power to the front USB port. So under settings, let's go down to system, and then under here let's go to power saving and go to features available in rest mode. And I currently have supply power to USB ports turned off. Now you can charge your controller while it's in rest mode, plug them into the USB ports. If you select 3 hours, your console will only stay on for 3 hours and then it will turn off. If you select always, you can always charge your controller to the USB ports at any point in time. So I typically have this turned off because you'll notice if you have it set to always or 3 hours, your console will kick in the fans and it will be a little bit louder while it's in rest mode, so I don't like that. So go ahead and check out those couple tips I have for you. And if all else fails, I plug my controller in right here with a USB cable to the wall outlet, just like I do with my phone. So it keeps it charged at all points in time, and it's ready to go when I need to use it. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSix Studios.